Welcome back. We have a binomial expansion problem here that reads expand 1 plus x squared to the power 8 in ascending powers of x as far as the term x to the power 3. Solution: we have 1 plus x squared to the power 8. Now, this is not the usual binomial that we deal with. In fact, it is a trinomial because we have three terms: 1, x, and x to the power 2. So, what can we do to first change it to a binomial? Well, we can say let x plus x squared be equal to y. That is the whole of this expression. Let's say it is equal to y. And if we do that, then we'll have 1 plus y to the power 8. So this would be a binomial that is simple to expand. But the other thing that we have in the question is it wants us to expand in ascending powers of x. So when we say ascending powers of x, we mean that the powers of x have to increase. So which means it has to start from a lower power to a higher power. That is, it has to start from 0 to 1 to 2 to 3 and so on. But it has limited us to x to the power 3. So which means we are going to ascend from 0 to 3. Okay, that is what we mean by ascending powers of x. Hadn't been it was in descending power of x, it means we have to start from a higher power going to a lower power. All right, so that would have been starting from high going to low. Like, let's say from the maximum power in the question, which is 8, we'll go 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. I hope that is understood. So if we want to solve this problem, we can use the combination method. Okay, so the maximum power that we have is 8. So we'll say 8 combination 0. Then we bring in the binomials, which are 1 and y. Okay, so since x have to be in ascending powers, we'll start from a lower power. So let's say 0, and therefore 1 has to be power 8, such that at any point, if you add the powers of the binomials, you will have the power that is given in the question. All right, plus 8 combination 1. Then we bring in the binomials again. That will be 1 into y. So 1 will go in descending and y will go in ascending. All right, as you can see, y is from 0 to 1, and it will continue like that. Plus 8 combination 2 into 1 into y. So this time 1 will be power 6 and y will be power 2. Okay, plus 8 combination 3 into 1 into y. So let's give them their appropriate powers. 1 will be power 5 and y will be power 3. So plus, this is where we have to stop. So we can say and so on, because from the question, it asks us to expand as far as the term x to the power 3. So if we have y to the power 3, the power 3 is the point where we need to stop. Okay, remember we've already said that y is equal to x plus x squared. So when we reach y to the power 3, we can stop. We don't need to expand up to the last point. So with this, we can expand. 8 combination 0 is 1 into 1 to the power 8 is 1 into y to the power 0 is 1. Then plus 8 combination 1 is 8 into 1 to the power 7 is 1 into y to the power 1 is y. Then plus 8 combination 2 is 28 into 1 to the power 6 is 1 into y to the power 2 plus 8 combination 3 is 56 into 1 to the power 5 is 1 into y to the power 3, then plus continuous. Now, if we expand this, 1 times 1 times 1 is 1 plus 8 times 1 is 8 multiplied by y, we can say 8 into y, then plus 28 times 1 is 28 into y to the power 2 plus 56 times 1 is 56 into y to the power 3 plus we continue. But remember, we have said that y is x plus x squared. So that is what we need to substitute now. In that case, we will have 1 plus 8 into x plus x squared plus 28 into x plus x squared to the power 2 plus 56 into x plus x squared to the power 3 plus continuous. So what can we do next? We'll have 1 plus 8 into x plus x squared plus 28 into, if we have x plus x squared to the power 2, that is the same as multiplying x plus x squared by itself. Okay, so this form and this form are the same. Then plus 56 into, if we have x plus x squared to the power 3, that is the same as multiplying x plus x squared 3 times, x plus x squared, then x plus x squared. Okay, then plus continue. So what we do next, we'll have 1 plus 8 into x plus x squared plus 28 into, what do we have if we expand this? Now let's just take that, x plus x squared into x plus x squared. How do you multiply this? First, you take this first term that you have, multiply by this whole expression, then you take this second expression and multiply by the whole of this expression again. So that is, you will have x into x plus x squared plus x squared into x plus x squared. So what is x times x is x squared plus x times x to the power 2 is x to the power 3 plus x squared times x is x to the power 3 plus x squared times x squared is x to the power 4. If we further simplify this, we'll have x squared plus 2x to the power 3 plus x to the power 4. That is when you expand x plus x squared to the power 2. So with that, it means that in the place of this expression, I can replace it with x squared plus 2x to the power 3 plus x to the power 4. Let's write that down. X squared plus 2x to the power 3 plus x to the power 4. All right, and let me delete this. If we should continue, we'll have plus 56 into, what will we do to expand this? If you expand the whole of this, what will it give you? Well, we know that if we multiply two of these terms, we will have something similar to this, right? Then, which means this can be in the place of this, then we multiply it with x plus x squared. So that is, we will have x squared plus 2x to the power 3 plus x to the power 4 as the product of these two. Then we should multiply it with x plus x squared. X plus x squared. So what should we do next? We're going to have 1 plus 8 into x plus x squared plus 28 into x squared plus 2x to the power 3 plus x to the power 4 plus, if we should write this expression down and we expand, that is, we have x squared plus 2x to the power 3 plus x to the power 4 into x plus x to the power 2. So how do we expand this? We will take this x, then multiply with everything here, and then take this x squared, then multiply with everything here again. And so that is, we're going to have x into x squared plus 2x to the power 3 plus x to the power 4 plus x squared into x squared plus 2x to the power 3 plus x to the power 4. So x times x squared is x to the power 3 plus x times 2x to the power 3 is 2x to the power 4 plus x times x to the power 4 is x to the power 5 plus x squared times x squared is x to the power 4 plus x squared times 2x to the power 3 is 2x to the power 5. Then plus x squared times x to the power 4 is x to the power 6. So if we further simplify this, we'll have x to the power 3 plus 2x to the power 4 plus x to the power 4 is 3x to the power 4 plus x to the power 5 plus 2x to the power 5 is 3x to the power 5, then plus x to the power 6. So this is the answer that we have. Now we can have 56 into, the expansion for this is the answer that we have here. That is x to the power 3 plus 3x to the power 4 plus 3x to the power 5 plus x to the power 6. All right, then plus continues. Now we can delete this. So if we should go back to the question, it actually says we expand in ascending power of x as far as the term x to the power 3. So which means only terms that are less than or equal to x to the power 3 are what we're going to write. Okay, so it means the maximum power that we have to write will be x to the power 3. So powers beyond x to the power 3 are not needed. All right? That is why even in our first expression, we stopped at y to the power 3. So what we're going to do is we will eliminate anything that is above the power x to the power 3. That is, we are going to eliminate x to the power 4. We're going to eliminate 3x to the power 4 because the power is 4. We're going to eliminate 3x to the power 5. And we're going to eliminate x to the power 6. So we're going to have 1 plus 8 into x plus x square plus 28 into x square plus 2x to the power 3 plus 56 into x to the power 3 plus continue. So that is going to be what we're going to have. If I should expand this, I'll have 1 plus 8x plus 8x square plus 28x square plus 56x to the power 3 plus 56x to the power 3. Then plus continuous. So if I should simplify further, I would have 1 plus 8x. 8x square plus 28x square is 36x square plus 56x to the power 3 plus 56x to the power 3 is 112x to the power 3 plus continuous. So this is the answer for this expansion. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel, like and share our videos.